Listen closely. If you're buried in debt, I need you to hear this. Debt isn't a character flaw. It's math. Period. Somewhere along the line, we turned a balance sheet into a moral compass. You're irresponsible. You lack discipline. You should have known better. Wrong. Most people go into debt just trying to survive. Education, a car to get to work, medical bills. You weren't being reckless. You were navigating a system without a map. Here is the actual problem. Interest. Interest is just the rent you pay to use someone else's money. But here is the part they don't tell you. Interest never sleeps. If you owe $5,000 at 20% and you're only paying the minimum, that debt is outrunning you. It's not because you're lazy, it's because the math is rigged against you. Debt compounds, just like investing, but in the wrong direction. If you've been avoiding the statements, that isn't weakness, that's anxiety. Your brain protects you by looking away, but avoidance makes interest stronger. Clarity? Clarity makes you stronger. We don't shame debt, we structure it. There are 2 ways to kill it. Method 1, the snowball. Kill the smallest balance first, get the win, build the momentum. Method 2, the avalanche. Attack the highest interest rate first, save the most money over time. Neither is right. The only right one is the one you actually finish. You cannot invest your way out of high-interest debt. You cannot ignore your way out of it. And you definitely cannot shame yourself out of it. You solve it with a plan. Do this today. List every debt. The balance, the rate, the minimum payment. That's it. Don't fix it yet, just face it. Once it's on paper, it stops being a monster. It's just a number. You are not your debt. You are a person carrying debt. There's a difference, and you can put that weight down. Financial literacy is just learning the rules of the game. Rule 1. Interest grows what you ignore. Rule 2. Payments shrink what you attack. You don't need perfection, you need consistency. Next time, we're talking emergency funds, because stability comes before investing, and you've earned that stability. You're not broken, you're building.